Thank you, Joseph. Thank you so much.
Ekitongole eki okwetorora ensi yona izoberi byabanikija guzo kumara emyaka 10 ziri kukora emirimo yakyo.
Kino ekitongole kya NGO si kya kiri non-profit making, but kyetukola tukuŋŋaanya abantu abatambuza projects mu Uganda ne wabweru wa Uganda okusobola okutuula wamu okuteeseganya engeri gy'okukolamu omulimu gwaffe nga ba project manager.
Omukuru w'ekitongole eki Irene Natabi yashoborera ngu baine ekisibu ky'amaani eky'abantu abarikweta omurimo gwabo kandi obwo batagwineho bukugu.
One of the biggest gaps that we find in project management today, and we continue to try and bridge, is having people that do not have the right skills. Having graduated as an engineer does not make you a project manager for engineering projects. Having graduated as a health expert cannot make you a certified project manager, so a successful project manager in the health sector.
Ori omuhezi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yashoborera ngu aba baine kukora ekiri kubasika kyona okurebeka ngu barwanisa obushomankuzi omu mirimo ei barikukora obwo kibayambeho okukora emirimo yabo aha mutindo gw'ahaiguru.
Such as e-government platforms, data analytics, and digital payments enhance project efficiency, transparency, and service delivery. We are making it a priority as a government to digitize government services. It will be one way of fighting corruption. Now I think you can easily have a driving permit without going through a community.
Akati atunyonyodde n'atugamba nti osanga kati government project zeekola nti bakakana boonoonye ssente nnyingi nnyo n'okusinga ze baategeka okukozesa. Nti ntegese nti ngenda kusimba ddaamu eno ng'akozesa miliyoni 600 naye n'osanga nga ssente zikubaganyizaamu emirundi ng'etaano.
Yayongera yajumirira abo boona bari kukora emirimo ya gavumenti binkwatire eki ekyagira ngu nikyo kitaire ihanga eri omu kabi k'amaani arikuhereza ekyokureberaho ekya daamu y'amashanyarazi eya Karuma. Muringo nigwo gumwe Right Honorable Tayebwa yayehanangiriza aba okurebeka ngu bakwatanisa n'omuntu w'ahansi ekikiyambeho omukurwanisa ibura ry'emirimo.
As stewards of our natural resources, we must prioritize sustainable practices in project management. This includes promoting renewable energy solutions, responsible waste management, and conservation efforts that preserve Uganda's rich biodiversity for future generations. This is the point I said in my sister Kasami here. This is the point where, as a country, we are looking at a just energy transition.
Ati nukwo kwehanangiriza abamaneja aba kurebeka ngu bagumana bahindahinduka n'omutindo harikwereza ekyo kureberaho ngu obwire obu n'obwa karimagezi ngu nambwenu omuntu otarikumanya kugikozesa Uganda nebaasa kwija kumugumira.
I also challenge you to harness digital solutions, because the world where we are going, especially with AI, find it much easier deploying a robot to supervise my project than a human being.
Muringo nigwo gumwe Tayebwa yayanangiriza abakozi boona kurebeka ngu bagezaho kwehangiraho emirimo yabo ekyo kiwereho akutendeeza ibura ry'emirimo mu ihanga eri.
So let's look at individual development, individual economic independence. You're professionals, I can tell you. If you don't have the side hustle and you're waiting for a job, I pray for you. And I don't mind people will accuse you of what, but I can give you just having around 2-3 kiosks of mobile money.
Makuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kampala.